चाहे हेल्प करें रे की?
Help me? Huh? Come on. Up.
क्या है वो एवी? ये क्या है? मिट्टी है मिट्टी. मिट्टी, good boy.
Sit up in there, we go for a ride, eh?
Oh, careful, Jan. क्या है?
You're
Soil
still
है.
gonna get it, aren't you?
Yeah, he is. He is. He can play with it. I don't think he's gonna do anything dangerous.
Okay.
Jeez.
Get out of it. Fine.
He's just pushed Ray's hand away.
No.
Careful.
Push it in. Oh, that way.
He wants help. He wants
You
help.
want to help? Okay, come on. Huh?
पत्ता? कहाँ है पत्ता?
Yeah. and you
That's
tell me
soil,
this, huh?
Evie. That's soil. आप soil कह सकते हैं?
Yeah.
Good boy.
Good boy. Okay, take it now. You're going to take it out again. What are we going to do? More? Okay. A little bit more, eh? Like that. This one? Okay, come. Ah, good boy.
All done. Evie, all done.
One more shovel.
Oh, okay. Maybe one more.
One more? Yeah.
चलें help कर दें रे की.
Good boy. Oh, tip him in. That's it. Push it in.
नहीं more नहीं. हो गया.
Hey, you push him in.
More नहीं लेना. हो गया. भर गया.
Big crop of mulberries coming.
Yeah, there's so many. I saw some yesterday.
I think that fig tree's dead up there, no? That one there?
Is it?
It's got a big split down right in.
Yeah, no, that's from the start.
And it's that split is now coming up the branches up.
Huge fruit. 4-meter high maximum. Not
Yeah.
a big tree.
Avocados have to have an A flowering and a B flowering tree in the one area.
उसको नहीं हत्ती लगाना.